Sound check, sound check. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ah! We're picking tomatoes. This is as close to Italy as I'm gonna get without being there, okay? What you will find me in the summer is elbow deep in tomato plants in my garden. We're just doing a little, we're a little harvesting. We got a lot of tomatoes to harvest, and when I say a lot, I do mean a lot. There's also a lot of eggplant to harvest. There's also a gigantically massive zucchini. These zucchini plants are probably gonna go this week. They've done their job. We've got some other ones here growing. I don't know if you can see, but these are the newer ones that we planted several weeks ago. And we've got yellow squash in there to pick, and they're looking gorgeous. Got a lot of them over there, little growing little baby squash. Can you see them in there? They're just really hard to see, but they're in there. Just got a lot to pick. We got some green beans. Eat your greens. You know what I mean? Some really nice green beans. We got to pick in here. The problem with green beans is that they blend in so much with the leaves and the plants and everything that they're hard to see. So we're just, picking eggplant, doing what we do. Oh, I keep getting like bugs and stuff on me, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Part of the whole situation. Oh, stay right here. Let me show you what I'm gonna get. Stay right here. The first of the season. Aspetta, ti faccio vedere. The first of the season. Aspetta. I want to surprise you. Get out of my business. Our first round Sicilian eggplant. Share that with you. Ow! There's a lot more to get in here. There's a lot more eggplant. This is some nice Italian eggplant. These are nice. These are beautiful already. I'm gonna make a nice parmigiana. We got a lot of eggplants on that side to pick too. So, there's a couple over here. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, these are ready. There's a couple over here. Peppers are coming in hot. Oh, that's a beauty. Let me get that out for you. Hang on tight. I'm gonna put this down for a sec. Oh, look at this. The Asian delights are also in. This is wonderful. What a beautiful day for harvesting some eggplants. I tell you what. This right here is where it's at. Hello? Hello? Who's there? No, nobody. Okay, I gotta put these in a bowl and grab the rest. Let me get a bowl. Look at this. Okay, come over here. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Gorgeous right here. Beautiful. This is what eggplants should look like. These are nice, beautiful, classic Italian eggplant. Not too big, not too small. Just right. These, I'm going to give those like another day. But hold on. There's some in here. They're hiding. They're hiding in here. And speaking of hiding, look at this. This is a little bit bigger than it should be. There's some more in here. That's because you just wait one day too long, and then guess what happens? Then they're massive. You know what I mean? Don't let them get too big, though. This is as big as you want them. Otherwise, they're just not the same. They're full of seeds, full of water. They get bitter, like me. But I want to show you something. I gotta show you something crazy. These cucumbers, okay? They hide, and they grow so fast. You're supposed to. I'm just gonna cut them because otherwise I'm here for too long. But these are really, really nice. The only problem is not really a problem. Look, there's another one up here. They just go from 0 to 100. Like yesterday, this was probably like half the size, and then today they're ready to be picked. I'm trying to get in here. Oh yeah. Anything else in here? The problem is I can't see. Look at this. This is the chard. I think I'm going to just cut back the chard. And, the chard was already cut back. I'm going to cut back the kale today. I'm going to get rid of this guy. This guy, some red leaf lettuce. But I harvested it first when it all came up. But then it's like shut up another one. But it never like grabbed shape. We'll give that to the chickens. They gotta eat too, you know what I'm saying? There's way more green beans in here too. I will give you a piece of advice though. It's my first time doing it, so that I didn't know. Don't plant your string beans. Don't plant your string beans anywhere near your, hold on, let me get my bowl. Got more tomatoes. I was saying, look at these are nice. Don't plant your cucumbers next to your string beans, because the cucumbers will overtake and they will strangle your plant, which is never good. You know, these are nice. Got a lot of tomato. Look at this beautiful tomato. These have been so gorgeous. These heirloom tomatoes, hands down, Joe and I both agree the best tomato we've ever had in our lives are these heirloom tomatoes. They're gorgeous. But that's about it. I'm gonna pick more of my tomatoes, and I'll do one final shot with everything that we picked this morning. All right, I'm just gonna continue picking these tomatoes. Look at my beautiful eggplants for the day. I still have to get that zucchini and that yellow squash, but for the most part, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna stand here and drink my water, mind my business. I hope you have a great day. I wanna try not to get, oh, it's a leaf. I'm gonna try not to get stung by bees, but you know, they got a job to do, and so do I.